Welcome to Top Product Picks. The BEEST RV Roof Sealant is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make to protect your recreational vehicle from the elements, ensuring that every adventure is worry-free and every journey is dry, as a properly sealed roof prevents leaks that can lead to costly damage and uncomfortable living conditions, making it an essential component for maintaining the integrity and value of your home on wheels. Number 5. AMES MSS1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating, 1 gallon, white. Discover the ultimate solution for your roof. This advanced coating offers superior protection and longevity for all your roofing needs. With an incredible 650% elongation, it moves with your roof, preventing cracks and peels. This means a longer-lasting, more reliable seal. Its bright white finish reflects 88% of sunlight, significantly reducing surface temperatures. Enjoy a cooler home and lower your energy bills. Perfect for metal, tar, and rolled roofs, it works as a RV roof sealant, waterproof sealant, or rubber roofing material. It's ideal for low-slope roof maintenance. Apply it easily with a brush, roller, or sprayer. Plus, it's non-toxic, eco-friendly, low VOC, and proudly made in the USA. This waterproof roof sealant comes in a convenient 1-gallon pail, perfect for your next low-slope roof maintenance project. What we like. This coating offers exceptional flexibility, preventing cracks and peels with its 650% elongation. Its high reflectivity also helps reduce cooling costs. If you're looking for a durable, cost-saving solution for your low-slope RV roof, this is a great choice. If you prioritize energy efficiency and long-term protection against the elements, consider this product. What people say. This product is a great solution for sealing RV roofs, offering excellent adhesion and durability. The application process was straightforward, and the seal held up well against various weather conditions. It effectively prevented leaks and maintained its integrity over time, providing peace of mind for RV owners. Number 4. BEEST RV Roof Coating White, 1 gallon. Introducing the ultimate solution for your RV roof. This flexible liquid rubber sealant offers superior waterproofing and UV resistance, ensuring your roof stays protected from the elements. Achieve maximum protection with our high-coverage formula. It's designed for simple application with a brush, roller, or sprayer, making it easy for anyone to get professional results. This versatile sealer isn't just for RVs. It's perfect for a wide range of surfaces including trailers, metal roofs, gutters, and even home foundations, providing a reliable seal wherever you need it. Enjoy year-round protection with our all-weather resistant coating. It's eco-friendly, solvent-free, and ultra-low VOC, making it safe for use around your family and pets. Rest assured with a product made in the USA by a dedicated family-owned company. We stand by our quality with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and excellent customer support. What we like. This sealant provides a waterproof and UV-stable barrier, ideal for protecting your RV roof from sun and rain. It's designed for high coverage, ensuring a thorough seal. If you need a robust solution for leaks and want excellent protection against harsh weather, this is the product for you. If you're seeking a reliable, long-lasting repair for your trailer or camper, this sealant is a top contender. What people say. This product is a game-changer for RV roof maintenance. Easy to apply and provides a durable, waterproof seal. It effectively stopped a leak I had for months. Number 3. Camco 14-inch Camper Roof AC Gasket Kit. Ensure a perfect seal for your RV's rooftop air conditioner with this comprehensive gasket kit. It includes everything you need for a secure and efficient installation. The self-adhesive picture frame gasket creates a waterproof compression seal. It effectively conforms to surfaces, ensuring a leak-free fit. Included are 2 self-adhesive foam leveling pads with varying thicknesses. These accommodate different air conditioner sizes for proper alignment and leveling. Installation is a breeze thanks to the self-adhesive design of both the gasket and leveling pads. Achieve a secure, long-lasting seal with minimal effort. This versatile kit is designed to fit most RV air conditioning units. It provides a reliable solution for a secure installation on various models. What we like. This kit provides a simple, self-adhesive solution for sealing RV air conditioning units. The waterproof compression seal ensures a tight fit, preventing leaks. If you're installing a new RV AC unit or replacing an old gasket, this kit offers a hassle-free and effective way to ensure a watertight seal. If ease of installation and a reliable seal for your AC unit are your priorities, this is the product to choose. What people say. This product is a great solution for sealing RV roofs. It was easy to apply and provided a durable seal. The seal held up well under various weather conditions. Number 2. EternaBond RV Mobile Home Roof Sealant Tape. Introducing the EternaBond RV Roof Sealant Tape, your ultimate solution for mobile home roof repairs. This authentic tape is designed to provide a durable and long-lasting seal. Tired of leaks? This powerful tape bonds instantly to various surfaces, effectively stopping leaks in their tracks. It's your go-to for quick and reliable repairs. Its versatility is unmatched, bonding to a wide range of materials including EPDM, TPO, metal, tiles, and even concrete. You can trust it for almost any roofing surface. From roof tiers and seams to flashings and skylights, this tape seals it all. It's perfect for maintaining the integrity of your RV's roof and preventing further damage. Engineered to withstand the harshest weather conditions, it flexes, expands, and contracts without compromising its seal. This ensures protection no matter the climate. Get ample coverage with this 4-inch by 50-foot roll. It provides plenty of material for all your repair needs, ensuring you're always prepared. Proudly made in the USA, this tape represents quality and reliability. Invest in a product that's built to last and designed for your peace of mind. What we like. This repair tape offers a permanent solution for leaks on a wide variety of RV roof surfaces. It's designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, flexing and expanding as needed. If you have a tear, seam, or flashing issue on your RV roof and need a reliable, long-lasting fix, this tape is an excellent option. If you want a durable, all-weather solution that bonds strongly to almost any material, this tape is your go-to. What people say. This product is a great solution for sealing RV roofs. It was easy to apply and provided a durable seal. The material is flexible and adheres well to different surfaces. Number 1. E-SDS RV Roof Sealant Tape 4x 50 foot. This white tape is designed to protect your RV from extreme weather. It resists UV, moisture, vapor, corrosive chemicals, and other leakages. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel and apply to seal any rip, tear, or open seam on any surface. It adheres well to various materials. This versatile tape is perfect for sealing RVs, campers, trailers, boats, and more. It's suitable for a wide range of vehicles and surfaces. Achieve a permanent fix with this camper weather tape. It's tested to last for many years of outdoor use, ensuring a lasting seal. The included rubber roller helps to adhere the tape better for a stronger seal. This natural white tape is 4 inches wide and 50 feet long. It performs reliably in a wide range of temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures its effectiveness in various climates. What we like. This sealant tape offers a waterproof and UV-resistant repair that permanently stops leaks on RVs and other vehicles. Its flexible nature and easy peel and apply design make installation straightforward, and it comes with a roller for better adhesion. If you're looking for a quick, effective, and permanent solution for leaks on your camper, boat, or trailer, this tape is ideal. If you appreciate a product that simplifies the repair process while providing long-lasting protection, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is amazing, it sealed my RV roof perfectly and I haven't had any leaks since. I was skeptical at first, but this sealant exceeded my expectations. It was easy to apply and created a strong, durable seal. The RV roof seal held up great during a recent storm with heavy rain. No drips inside the RV at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.